This is my tutorial for another red, white, and blue patriotic themed snow globe tumbler. I have already sanded and prepped my tumbler, and now I'm ready to add my stars and stripes. For my stripes, I'm going to place them using one of those I'm going to use a small red cup that you get from Walmart to mark around the tumbler. I'm sure there's probably a more accurate and better way to do this, but yeah, I'll then be taking my strips and lining the edge up with the black line and eyeballing it on the way down. For spacing, I'm going to use the excess I cut off on the bottom as a marker in between the stripes. You can be a lot more accurate, you guys, a lot more accurate. In fact, I know Kelbell Designs has a Kelbell design tool thingy. I'll place a link to it down below. But if you've been with me for a while, you know my feelings about measuring things. Yeah, team eyeballing all the way. And I know it's another snow globe, but y'all, these suckers are addicting. And I only have a few more left, so we'll be getting back to our regular scheduled programming soon, just in time for fall designs, because y'all know I start fall stuff end of June, early July, and I am so excited because fall, it's the best season of the year. Fight me. Now that I'm all done with my stripes, I'm going to take some alcohol and spray it on my cup and wipe away that black line. When you have your stars and stripes down, we'll be ready to add our spray paint. The wind was hardly blowing outside, so I looked out and I got a pretty decent ombre on my first try. That has not happened since I got kicked out of my garage, but it doesn't have to be perfect. If you can't get your ombre perfect, no big deal. We're gonna be covering it with glitter in our next step. I'm going to be doing the tack it method with Southern Belle glitter foil glue and doing an ombre tack it. Ombre tack it method? Ombre? Okay. Is that what it's called? I don't know what it's called. It's an ombre with the tack it method. Yeah. So I thought I would need to do 2 coats like we did with our last patriotic design, but the ombre came out really well the first try and I didn't want to mess it up, so I left it alone. I applied the glitter like I normally would a regular ombre design, and then I rubbed the glitter down and out from the middle. So I start rubbing the glitter in the middle and then I kind of go out from the middle. Before I peeled up the stencils, I sealed the glitter with Krylon Triple Thick. Be sure to seal before you pull your stencils so you don't dull the acrylic tumbler like I did the last time I made a design like this. If you'd like to see what I'm talking about, I'll place a link to the tutorial in the upper right hand corner of your screen. For this epoxy layer, I'm going to be adding some extra sparkle. I'll be adding Matador and Starry Night from PDB. As always, and I say this every week, you do not have to add extra glitter, but do it anyway because I said so. You'll thank me later. Do it. When I was all cured, Lord mercy. When the tumbler was all cured, I used chunky Parabatai from Peachy Olive for my snow globe portion, and then I sealed the bottom and added my signature. If you'd like a longer explanation on how I fill and seal my snow globes, I'll put a previous snow globe tutorial we made in the upper right hand corner of your screen if you'd like to check it out. Side note, these snow globe designs don't need decals, but I had some cute ones that I've already made, so I personally added one. If you'd like to use the same design, I'll have my Etsy shop linked in the description box down below. But if you don't want to add a decal, you really don't need one. These cups are stinking cute without them. extra stars, I added some more chunky Parabatai just along the top portion in the blue or the navy part. You don't have to. I don't know why. I mean, it just needed something. To me, it needed something. Okay, honestly, you don't need to do this. I won't even tell you to do it because you really don't need to. I just like the look of it. I think it just needed something more along the top for me. I don't know, I'm weird. Y'all know I'm weird. I'm extra and I'm weird. Y'all know this. You know this already. Eesh. If you want to talk about extra, Happy Fox Supply Company has these super cute straws that change color when you add a cold beverage. How cute is that? And they have fireworks on them. That's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching my tutorial. A huge thank you to all of my mentorship and channel members. Your support is literally everything. Have fun making your patriotic themed snow globe tumblers, and I'll see you again next time.